Welcome back to another video. Like I said, this is no sleep season in crypto. I'm absolutely exhausted because this is when you can't afford to not pay attention to the charts because there's so many setups happening hourly, every 4 hours, every 15 minutes. So you need to get in, pump, catch this trend, take profits, roll on to the next thing. Things are pumping so big that you can't afford to miss out on these because, like we say, a few trades in crypto can change your life in a bull run. And that's what we're seeing here. And just to be an absolute clout goblin, I want to show you the Pepe trade we gave here. We called this Pepe out at this point of control. And I want to show you why this altcoin we're looking at today has a similar setup here. Not financial advice, not saying this is going to happen like Pepe played out with like a huge move here, but I gave you the trigger, told you it's going to break down here, get back above point of control, above yearly open, and absolutely rock it. And what have we seen today? The exact setup happened here. Get back down below point of control, get above yearly open, and bang, we went up in total 178% today. So yeah, nearly a 3x. Huge trade here. So yeah, 2x would be 100%. Yeah, absolutely massive gains. Huge move if you caught this. We are loving it in the Discord. Like and subscribe, guys, but let's get into today's video. So I want to go over, okay, so today we are looking at Atom. Really not a pretty chart here, but a great project with great fundamentals here and something we're extremely bullish on. There was so much hype last cycle. No one's talking about Atom right now, but it's time to get excited. Another good thing we like to see in the tokenomics, 388 million tokens currently in circulation. Total supply, 388 million tokens. Fully in circulation. So there's not just team going to dump on you. Early investors going to dump on you when you get tokens. This looks great in terms of fundamentals. The charts look very, very good as well. We have the similar setup here. We have the entire volume profile. Here we have the thick blue line, point of control, the bottom of the value area low. You can see here we've kind of been stuck in this range since the last bull market. However, now we have reclaimed this point of control, this thick blue line, and we've broken out of this trend line. Now, there's another factor as well I want to bring onto this, but however, this has been resistance in the past. We held it as support here. Resistance, resistance. Here, we actually broke out, came down and retested the point of control, and broke back above. Broke back above what? Our yearly open. Remember Pepe, the setup? This was exactly the same. Reclaim point of control. Get back above yearly open. Pump. Where can Atom run to in the short term? Well, this value area high here at $18, which immediately, if we can get a pullback here, is, yeah, 69% move. Oi, 69. So big things coming for Atom. Let's look on lower time frame where we are looking to get in. So we can see here the 50 on the RSI is very bullish. We had this strong move here and the momentum pushed up, and then we came back to reset on the 50 and the point of control. We got up here, we've reclaimed yearly open, and we've still got room to the upside. So lower time frame, we could look for this to reset and us get an entry back down here at yearly open if this RSI can come and cool down. The other positive thing, look, sorry guys, we're getting so many alerts here. This is going to happen a lot, so sorry if it annoys you, but it's important. I'm with the eyes and ears on the charts here because I don't want to miss anything this cycle. So yeah, we've caught Trump, we've caught Pepe, we've caught huge bangers. Just go back and look through the videos. So if we're not already in this coin, we want to look for the RSI to come down and reset closer to the 50 level. If we can get more bags here on yearly open. So we want to get a fill around here at yearly open at $10.70. We'll be closing below here. If we get a close below $8.80, we're out of this position. However, the upside is a move to this $18 and then higher, guys. So like I said, on the RSI, we want to look for this to cool down and reset. It's a little overextended right now for us to buy in, but if we can get filled here, this is also the black line is the best performing moving average that I've backtested for Atom. We're above that. So if we can get a retest here, confluent with our best performing moving average, happy days. So that yearly open comes in at $10.60. So I will front run that a little bit, not financial advice. That's where I'm looking to get in, and I'm going to be cutting on closing below $8.80. Let's look at the RSI in the 4 hour. Yeah, still a little overextended, but we can the 50 level generally gives our good opportunities to get in. So here we have this huge pump. The RSI comes down. We come to cool off near the 50, this thick black line, and continue this bullish move. Here we come down near the 50 again at yearly open. Hope that wasn't our entry, and we get a couple more, and then we had this strong move up. So let's give us one more RSI. We'd appreciate it. let's look here at the awesome oscillator. You can see in terms periods when we have this bullish momentum, the awesome oscillator turns positive. Here we have this huge positive momentum. We turn bearish. We get back below here, the 0, and we move down. Now we're above this awesome oscillator, so it's telling us momentum is positive for Atom, and we have a long way to go. You can see how long we've been extended in the negative here, but we have a lot of room to the upside. In a bull run, we're catching this early, guys. If we were to look at this in terms of Fibonacci's, because we want to look at where can Atom go, where's the all-time high here, and we have to predict that. If we're going to go higher here than 45 cents, which I certainly think Atom can do, where can we project that? But first, let's look at another thing that gives us confidence here. If we take our fib from here, this was the last strong move that drove all the way price down, and this was the low. And you can see how we've respected these fib levels. Here we break above the 23 and we move up to 38, get rejected, come back down to the 23, move up, again rejected to the pip of the 38, and get down below. Now this trend line keeps us as resistance here, but generally when we close above the 236 in Fibonacci terms, we're going to make a move towards the 50. Where does the 50 line up? The 50 level here at our value area high, which has just given us extra confidence for this trade, which is what's making me really positive about this. Either we're going to reject here at the 236, pull back down to the yearly open, and I'm going to look to load up here, or if we get a close above here on the 4 hour, I'm going to look to start scaling in, because I think this can run really quickly to $16 all the way up to $19. So not financial advice, that's what I'm looking at here. Are you bullish on Atom? What altcoins are you looking at? And post your biggest wins this year. Is it Trump? I hope you guys listen to that video and you're out of that. Another alert going off. I need to catch this next trade. Like and subscribe, guys. Cheers.